Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in this session today we have very different topic going to see about the competitive examinations in Maharashtra and in all India level, that what the exams are taking place for the medical and engineering admissions. It was up to 1998 medical and engineering admissions in Maharashtra, they were given on the basis of their PCM or PCB marks of HSC board. That is, from HSC board, PCM or PCB, out of 300 marks, the student, whatever the marks they are getting, for example, 270 marks out of 300, that is 90%. And that was the basis for giving admission HSC board marks up to 1998. But then, according to the order given by the education department and the Supreme Court order there, from 1999, that is since 1999 in Maharashtra and then in other states also in our India, this CET exam was started. CET, that is the long form called Common Entrance Test. Initially, it was occurring only for medical admission, that is containing subjects physics, chemistry and biology. That was one paper physics chemistry combined of 100 questions, 100 marks, and the biology also 100 questions, 100 marks, that is 200 marks. This was all okay up to 2003, but then in 2004 for engineering also CET exam was started, and then the name was changed from MHCET to MHTCET. In MHTCET, this H for health science courses, T for technical side courses means our engineering courses, and CET for common entrance test, that is the long form. Why is CET called common entrance test? The name common indicates, all that things common to the student, syllabus same, paper pattern same, checking method same, nothing different. And that was as something correction for the board's marks that generally students get, they are found to be not correct according to their level or capability. Okay, then that was the history when it started. Up to 2012 it was. 2012 it was. MHTCET was paper there, in which PC paper was common, and then it was biology and maths separate paper. This PC 100 marks, biology also 100 marks, maths also 100 marks. This was, I have just told, up to 2012. What happened then afterwards in 2013 onwards, and those were the transition years in the history of medical and engineering admissions, not only in Maharashtra, for the throughout India, that it was a starting or implementation of JEE exam, NEET exam for the respectively engineering and medical admission. It not mean that previously such exams were not present. They were present. JEE was there. It was also called few years AIEEE, that is All India Engineering Entrance Exam. JEE also has long history, but that was only for IIT admissions. NEET was not there before 2013-14, but there was All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS exam was there for the medical admission. Now we come to the syllabus there. What the syllabus our MHCET exam is having, which is still going on, but now MHCET admission for the engineering or pharmacy courses and NEET for the admissions of medical side courses like MBBS, BDS, etc. Syllabus for MHCET exam is Maharashtra State Board syllabus of the current year. Some part of 11th standard, I think 20%, remaining 80%, it is of 12th standard of that syllabus. And for the NEET and JEE exam, there is syllabus of the CBSE board, that is of NCERT textbooks. The student should know, like in MHCET for medical admission PCB was there. Now for the NEET exam also PCB physics, chemistry, biology, and for JEE that is physics, chemistry, math. Now JEE exam is conducted by two different steps, that is called JEE Main and JEE Advance. JEE main, it is for that all students, those who want to try for IIT engineering colleges or other subsidiary colleges. But advanced, it is only for the IIT level colleges. Out of the some 12 lakh students, they give main exam, and about 2 lakh, that is about 1/5 or 1/6 student are selected for that advance, and they are really that getting tough questions there in the advance. If we deal with NEET exam, it has the physics, chemistry, biology syllabus again of CBSE or NCERT. And one thing is common in JEE and NEET exam, there is negative marking. Negative marking, it is not in our MHCET exam. MHCET exam nowadays only for engineering of state government colleges and also for the pharmacy courses. But NEET exam and JEE exam, they are conducted on all India basis, and they are NEET exam for medical, MBBS, BDS, of the all colleges including state government's medical colleges. But JEE is not for the state government engineering colleges. For that it is MHCET exam there according to current there. Now the pattern is that in MHCET one question carries 1 mark in physics, chemistry, biology. However, for mathematics one question 2 mark. In MHCET no negative marking, that is the plus point there. But in NEET and JEE one question, if something wrong written, that will be mark deducted. Now negative marking, that's called. And now last few years, percentile, last 2-3 years, percentile is going on in JEE and in the MHCET also. Percentile calculated according to the score of the student with related to each other, I mean with respect to each other. The first student, for example, we take example of MHCET exam, out of 200 marks, suppose the first student get 195 marks, and that is supposed to be its 100 percentile. And related to that, other students, how many marks they get, they are having less than that percentile. So this is the percentile in rough. And last few years, 2-3 years, there is online exam for JEE and MHTCET. However, for NEET, at least up to this 2020, whose result is declared, admissions process, it is about to start or going on. It is for NEET exam, it is offline paper, pencil mode paper. In online paper, because it is that not possible to accommodate all students simultaneously throughout the country, that's why they are taking in the various batches. Like this year, JEE exam and MHCET exam that occur last few weeks before, especially MHCET exam that was from 1st October to 20 October there in the PCB and PCM in 2 groups separate. And there students have different papers. That's why they have the what called as percentile technique that use. If you have the target for that medical or engineering, then you should start the study there well before. Your fundamentals should clear. You should have hard work, set the target, have the planning, manage that study and go for it. Last year's papers available there. Nowadays nothing suspense due to net availability. They are available on net or in the market, they are available in the solved papers booklet format. So that's for the today's session, that JEE, CET, NEET, about that slide description. We'll have details of it separate. If possible, we'll take that sessions. Okay. As we have come to an end, like this video, comment which concept you want to see next. Share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon.